As an artist, I think that's one of the most important things that you can have, is to be able to come into a space that's reliable, that's yours, and it's the space where you create.
Hey, I'm Adam. I'm a visual arts student here at QCA, and we're here in the painting studios.
The community, having all these studios together, part of the art school experience, it's not just about making work or being taught by lecturers, but it's coming together as a group and forming a cohort that can last all the way into your career.
I love the painting studios here because there's a lot of community, and it's a lot easier than just kind of being by myself at home in my home studio. I have a lot more space to move around and to hold work and to kind of breathe a bit more. It helps me to kind of bridge my ideas with the research that I'm doing here at school. Being in that zone of the research that I'm doing, it just kind of gets rid of everything else and allows me to just focus on those ideas and put them into practice. What I enjoy most about my studies at Griffith is the community that I'm a part of. I'm not from Brisbane, and I came to Brisbane and didn't really know anybody, and I came to study at QCA. Since first year, I've just been developing more and more friends, more of a community, the facilities, and the faculty, and also the students. So it's really just all three of those things. So I get a great location to work within. I get great mentors through the faculty and the knowledge and experience that they have, and then also having my friends and peers to kind of work beside and to inspire each other. I came here not knowing what I wanted to do with my work. I know I wanted to make art, but I didn't know what I was going to focus on, and through the relationships and the time spent here, I've really been able to develop my own voice.